We take pride in our work environment, in that we treat folks that work here as part of the family. We care deeply about all the people here. We're blessed to have them all here, and we don't take anything for granted in terms of our folks.
Our mission here is to provide high-quality heating products to a variety of different customers.
The products we make here are radiant heaters, specifically gas-fired. These radiant heaters can be used in industrial commercial applications. We have some for poultry, agricultural, and hog applications, as well as some for residential garages and patios and restaurant hospitality applications.
It was a pretty cold winter, and we usually get a very cold breeze that comes through here. You know, when you're in here for 6 to 8 hours throughout the day in cold weather, the space heater makes it very comfortable and tolerable. And especially for our members who use the practice space, they can concentrate on their golf swings and not have to concentrate on the non-freedom of movement that they would have from all that clothing. So the space heaters have been a win-win for everybody.
Those heaters just make both people and animal comfortable. We do a lot of poultry and hog heaters. We heat a lot of plants, manufacturing plants and production spaces.
Our products are made here in Charlotte, in the U.S., and we have been making our products here since 1949.
We feel like part of the family. They take care of us. As far as any questions that we have, we can brainstorm and get it solved right away.
If you're looking at a building, whether it's a poultry house or an industrial building, you have large amounts of air change and you have a huge amount of cubic space you need to heat. It doesn't help you to heat that cubic space where the person is not located. We are trying to heat more down at the level, the comfort level of somebody, whether it be an animal or a person. And so that is the beauty of radiant heat or infrared heat. It sinks its heat down into people, into objects, etc. And it holds its heat. So when heat gets extracted, it's still got a base level of heat in there. And so stratification of heat in a building is much less.
Basically like the sun, so you're putting the heat energy directly into the receiving object. Whereas if you're heating the air, then you're doing it by secondary means. Cost-effective solutions are important to all of our customers. And so the more efficiency, the less gas we're burning to heat the space.
It's really nice to kind of always be in that type of environment where you're constantly learning, those who work here, but also with our vendors, and just developing those special relationships.
The addition of the radiant heaters has really added an entirely new measure of comfort. If you have the stand-up heaters, they always get in the way and it only warms the people directly beside them. Having the overhead radiant heaters provides comfort for everybody at the table.
This is an awesome company to work for. It's like family, you know. If anything happens, you need any help, anything, you know, I can just go to the next person next door to me. But I've had an awesome time being here. I've been here almost 15 years, so I love it. I really do.
So we have a CSA certified design lab, which means that CSA is confident that we have the knowledge, that we need to do all the testing, but we also have all the equipment and the proper calibrations for the equipment to make sure that the data that we collect is correct. We have a great team. Most people have a lot of experience in the job that they are doing. We have a very short line of communication, right? And we sit in the meetings, we have all our differences and we work it out, and we always come to the conclusion to build the best product that suits our customers' needs.